welcome to my channel, Colorful Tamiko. This is my first YouTube video on adult coloring. My channel is going to be about adult coloring and for beginners and how to get started. The reason I started this channel is because when I color, I get a lot of people asking, how did I start, what to do to get started, what supplies they need, and the tips and tricks on how to achieve the coloring that I do, such as this picture. This picture is one coloring that I've done. And my goal for this video is to show people how to exactly do this and how to improve on their coloring. I started coloring about 4 years ago, and the reason I started coloring was because I was actually in the hospital for like a month and going through a lot in life, and one of my nurses suggested that I try dark coloring, and I'm like, I don't know. I used to color when I was little, but I'm not that good. I can't draw. I'm not a good drawer, and I just was hesitant to do it. But being so bored in the hospital and being in the hospital for so long, I decided, okay, why not give it a try? So I Googled everything that I needed, and I bought the supplies. I bought some pencils. I bought some coloring books, and I just went in head first. So basically the point of the story is that no one taught me how to color. No one told me what to do and how to achieve this type of coloring. I just experimented basically, and I did a lot of YouTubing. And so I thought to myself, if there was more videos out there for beginners and to make people feel that they can do this and to show them the ways to do it and just guide them through it, it would be much easier. And I wish I had more beginner videos. Now, don't get me wrong, there's plenty of videos out there on YouTube that shows you how to color. And I still to this day look at videos, and I love a lot of colorists who are out there, and they inspired me with my coloring. And that's what I hope to do, inspire you guys. Inspire beginners to just start. I mean, no matter what it looks like, no matter if you're coloring outside the lines or, just start and, just do it and get the confidence to be able to do it. So my channel is going to be basically about bringing you those tips, tricks, coloring hacks to bring your coloring to life and to help you improve on your coloring and create a style that you're comfortable with. And like I said, this picture is one of the first colorings I did, and I was very proud of this picture. I mean, like, I came a long way. And later on in videos, I'll show you my progress and what my picture started out looking like and where I'm at now. I wouldn't say that I'm an artist. I wouldn't say I'm a professional. I wouldn't say that I know everything about coloring, but I learned a lot, and I can share what I've learned with other people who want to do this. So this video is just to bring to you what brought so much joy to me, and that's adult coloring. Now, on my channel, I want to talk about, like I said, the tips, tricks, and hacks to coloring. I'm also going to talk about what coloring supplies you need to achieve certain styles, how to use them, review supplies, where to get the best deals, and things like that. And I also want to bring videos that you guys want to know. So I want this to be an interactive channel. Whatever you guys want to know, or any questions you guys have, or any video ideas you have that you would like to know about your coloring, just put it in the comments and we'll create a video. I'll create a video for it and try to help you. Coloring really makes me happy. It just does. When I'm coloring, all of my, not all of my problems, but I'm not thinking about whatever problems I have or whatever issues I have in life. It's a really stress reliever. And I know a lot of people can benefit from that. And that's what I want to bring to beginners.